Students, today we are going to study chapter Exponent and Powers. First, the introduction of the chapter. This chapter is useful in mathematics and as well as in science, but we will study its importance in mathematics. Students, you will see some facts are written on the screen, such as the mass of Earth. A number that is a big number is written on the screen in kilogram. It is difficult to read, and you will also see the mass of Uranus. Another time a number is written on the screen in kilogram, but it is difficult to read this number. And if someone wants to compare the mass of Earth and Uranus, we are not able to compare them easily. These are very large numbers which are difficult to read, to understand, and to compare. And to make these numbers easy to read, easy to understand, and easy to compare, we use exponent. Students, next we understand what exponent is. The exponent of a number tells how many times it should be used in multiplication. I will give you an example. See the multiplication on the screen. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here in this multiplication, 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. And so we will write 2 raised to the power 4. Here the exponent 4 tells us that 2 is used 4 number of times in the multiplication. Exponent is also known as power or index or indices. These terms are also used in place of exponent. Students, exponents provide us the shortcut for writing product of a number by itself several times, such as you see on the screen, a is multiplied by itself n number of times, and so we get a raised to the power n, a raised to the power n, and this form is known as exponential notation, where a is a rational number and n is an integer. So student, you will understand that exponent provide us a shortcut method for writing a long multiplication in short form. Students, exponents provide us a easy method to write large number in a shorter form. As you see an example on the screen, that 10,000 is factorized, means prime factorize, and we will see that the factorization comes as you see on the screen. 10 is to be multiplied by itself 4 number of times, so that we get 10,000, and we write this multiplication in short form using exponential notation as 10 raised to the power 4. Raised to the power 4 written anywhere, this means that 10 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Students, in 10 raised to the power 4, in 10 raised to the power 4, 10 is known as the base, and 4 is known as the exponent, The number 10 raised to the power 4 is read as 10 raised to the power of 4, or simply as the fourth power of 10. And students, 10 raised to the power 4 is called the exponential form, is known as the exponential form of 10,000. Student, our next topic is how to read number in exponential form. To understand it, let us take a fixed number. Let us take any integer a as a base, and you will see some multiplications written on the screen. When a is multiplied by itself two number of times, you get this, and this is read as a squared or a raised to the power 2. Next, a is to be multiplied by itself 3 times, you get this, a as a base and 3 as the exponent. This is read as a cubed or a raised to the power 3. Next, third example, in this, a is to be multiplied by itself 4 times, you get this, a as a base and 4 as the exponent, and this is read as a raised to the power 4 or the fourth power of a. Next, you will see a multiplication in which there are two integers a and b. In the whole multiplication, a is multiplied by itself 3 times and b is multiplied by itself 2 times, and you get this. It is read as a cubed and b squared. Students, our next topic is laws of exponent. Students, the question arises that what is the use of law of exponent? Law of exponent is useful in the calculations involving exponential number. Law of exponent help us to make the calculation easy and simplified. Students, first law of exponent is about multiplying powers with the same base. Means multiplying exponential number having the same base. The law is as follows: a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n, where a is an rational number and m and n are integers. Or in other words, we will say that, so in other words, we can say that when we multiply two exponential number having the same base, in the final result, the base remain the same, but the powers or exponent get added. We will verify this law with the example. Student, you will see an example written on the screen. We multiply 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 raised to the power 2. In this situation, the base is same but exponent are different. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 is multiplied by itself 2 times. When we combine whole multiplication, we see that 2 is to be multiplied by itself 5 times, so we get 2 raised to the power 5, and you will see in the final result that the base remain the same and the exponent is 5, and 5 is the sum of 3 and 2, and so the law is verified. Students, next law of exponent is about dividing powers with the same base. Means dividing such exponential numbers whose base is same. Students, you will see the law written on the screen as a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, or we can say that a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. Or in other words, we can say that when we divide two exponential number, so in the result we get the same base but the power is subtracted, means the power of first exponential number minus power of second exponential number. We will verify this law by taking the example. So let us divide 3 raised to the power 7 by 3 raised to the power 4, or 3 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 7 means 3 is to be multiplied by itself 7 times, and 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 is to be multiplied by itself 4 times. So cancel out numerator and denominator, and you will see on the screen that 3 threes are remains. So 3 is to be multiplied by itself 3 times, we get 3 raised to the power 3. And you will see that the base remain the same, and in the exponent side you get 3, and 3 is the result of the subtraction of 7 and 4. Students, next law is about dividing powers with the same exponent. Means dividing such exponential number whose base are different but exponent are same. Student, the law is as follows: a raised to the power n divide by b raised to the power n, or we can say that a raised to the power n upon b raised to the power n. The result you get as a upon b raised to the whole power n. We will verify this law by taking the example. So let us divide 2 raised to the power 4 by 3 raised to the power 4. We are taking two different bases and same power as 4. Or we can say that 2 raised to the power 4 upon 3 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 is to be multiplied by itself 4 times, and 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 is to be multiplied by itself 4 times. And so take the fractions. You will see on the screen, in the final result we get 2 upon 3 is to be multiplied by itself 4 times, and so we get 2 upon 3 raised to the whole power 4, and so the law is verified. The next law is about taking power of a power. Means we are taking power of a exponential number. You will see the law written on the screen as a raised to the power m raised to the whole power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. We will verify this law with the example. So we will take the example written on the screen. 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the whole power 2. As 2 raised to the power 3 has a power of 2, so 2 raised to the power 3 is to be multiplied by itself 2 times, and so by the first law of exponent, as a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. When the base is same, power should be added, so we get 2 raised to the power 3 plus 3 means 2 raised to the power 6, and we will see that 6 is the multiplication of 3 and 2, and so the law is verified. Next law of exponent is about multiplying powers with the same exponent. Means we are multiplying such exponential number whose having the same exponent. The student will see the law written on the screen as a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equal to a into b raised to the whole power m. Student, we will verify this law by taking the example. So multiply 2 raised to the power 3 by 3 raised to the power 3. Here you will see that the base are different but the exponent is same. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 is to be multiplied by itself 2 times, and 3 raised to the power 3 means 3 is to be multiplied by itself 3 times. When we combine the whole multiplication, we get 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 means triplet of 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means 6, means we get 6 3 number of times. 6 is multiplied by itself 3 number of times, so we get 6 raised to the power 3. You will see in the whole calculation the exponent remains the same as 3, and the base 6 is the multiplication of 2 into 3, and so the law is verified. The next law is about numbers with exponent 0. You will see the law written on the screen as a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Or in other words, we can say that any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So let us prove this fact with the help of an example. So consider a series of different powers of 2. As you will see, it is written on the right hand side of the screen. You will see a pattern in this series. In the above pattern, you will see that when the exponent decreases by 1, the value becomes half of the previous value. I will explain the pattern. You will see that 2 raised to the power 4, it is equal to 16. Decrease the exponent by 1. First the exponent is 4, and by decreasing the exponent by 1 you get exponent as 3. The value of 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. You obtain 8 by making the previous value half. Next, another time decrease the exponent by 1. This time you get exponent as 2. The value of 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. You obtain this value by making the previous value, that is 8, half. And we will follow the same pattern. And for finding the value of 2 raised to the power 0, make the previous value half. That is, make the previous value, that is 2, half means 2 upon 2. You get 1. And so the law is verified. So finally, we can say that any number except 0 raised to the power 0 is 1. Next law of exponent is about power with negative exponent. Means the power of the exponential number become negative. As you will see on the screen, the laws are written as a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m, or a raised to the power m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power minus m. Student, we will verify this law of exponent with the example. You will see some pattern written on the right hand side of the screen. We will prove this law of exponent. We will verify this law of exponent with the help of pattern. The value of 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to 100. The value, decrease the exponent by 1. You will get 1 as the exponent. 10 raised to the power 1 is equal to 10. You will obtain this value by making the previous value 1/10, means 100 upon 10. Next, decrease the exponent by 1. You will get 10 raised to the power 0, as 0 as the exponent. The value of 10 raised to the power 0 is 1. To obtain this value, make the previous value 1/10, means divide the previous value 10 by 10. You obtain the value as 1. and continue the pattern. Continuing our pattern, that is, as the exponent decrease by 1, the value become 1/10 of the previous value. You can obtain the value of negative exponent. We want to obtain the value of 10 raised to the power minus 1. To divide the previous value by 10 or make the previous value 1/10. The previous value is 1 and we make it 1/10. So the value obtained is 1 upon 10 or 1 upon 10 raised to the power 1. And next, to obtain the value of 10 raised to the power minus 2, another time make the previous value 1/10, or we can say that divide the previous value by 10. As you see on the screen, you obtain 1 upon 100, which is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to the power 2, and hence the law is verified. Next law is about fraction with negative exponent. You will see the law of exponent written on the screen as a upon b raised to the whole power minus m is equal to b upon a raised to the whole power m. Student, next law of exponent is about the fraction with negative exponent. You will see the law of exponent written on the screen as a upon b raised to the whole power minus m is equal to b upon a raised to the whole power m. You will see on the screen when you get a fraction a upon b whose exponent is negative. To make the exponent positive, reciprocate the base, which is a fraction, means b upon a, and make the power positive. Student, we will verify this law of exponent with the help of example as you see on the screen. So take an example, 2 upon 3 raised to the whole power minus 2. The power is divided in numerator and denominator, and this become 2 raised to the power minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2. Here we will apply the law of exponent a upon b raised to the whole power m is equal to a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m. We write it as 2 raised to the power minus 2 into 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2. And applying the seventh law of exponent in this video, that is a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m. 2 raised to the power minus 2 become 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2, and 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 become 3 raised to the power 2, and this become 3 raised to the power 2 upon 2 raised to the power 2. And again applying this law of exponent, the final value comes out to be 3 upon 2 raised to the whole power 2. Next, student, an important note for solving the question. A raised to the power m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to the power minus m. Student, you will know the meaning of multiplicative inverse of a given number. Multiplicative inverse of a given number is a number multiplied by the given number to make the value 1. And so when a raised to the power minus m is multiplied by a raised to the power m. You know by the law of exponent, a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m and multiplied by a raised to the power m. These values are cancelled out and so we get 1. And so we can say that a raised to the power m and a raised to the power minus m are the multiplicative inverse of each other. Student, our next topic is decimal number system. First, we will write numbers in expanded form using exponent. You will see the example written on the screen. A number that is 23,456 is written on the screen. We will write it in the expanded form. You know that for writing the number in the expanded form, we multiplied the digits by their place value and add them all. The number is 23,456. From the right hand side, we will give the digits their place value. The place value of 6 is ones, the place value of 5 is tens, the place value of 4 is 100, the place value of 3 is 1000 and the place value of 2 is 10,000. Student, the number is 23,456 and we will give the digits their place value. The place value of 6 is ones starting from the right hand side. The place value of 5 is tens, the place value of 4 is 100, the place value of 3 is 1000 and the place value of 2 is 10,000. And after that multiply the digit with their place values and add these values, and so in this way we can write the number in the expanded form. We will see that we can write the place value in terms of power of 10. 10,000 can be written as 10 raised to the power 4, 1000 is written as 10 raised to the power 3, 100 is written as 10 raised to the power 2 and so on. And so we can express the number in expanded form using the power of 10. Next, we will start writing number having the decimal point in expanded form using exponent. Next, take an example. A number is written on the screen which is 1425.36. We will write this number in expanded form using exponent. 1425.36, and to write the number in expanded form, give the digits their place value and multiply the digits with the place value and add them all to obtain the expanded form of this number. The place value, we are talking about the left hand side of the decimal point. The place value of 5 is ones, the place value of 2 is tens, the place value of 4 is 100 and the place value of 1 is 1000. And on the right hand side of the decimal point, the place value of 3 is 1/10, the place value of 6 is 100th. we will see that we can write all the place value in terms of power of 10. And so you will see on the screen we will write the number in exponent form using exponent.